That's right. You know, Mike Francis, let me tell you, conditions have really deteriorated here over the last 2.5 to 3 hours. As you can see, the jacket's flopping around in the wind. We have some pretty strong winds now. Right now, we are facing to the southwest. So as I turn, we're getting a northeasterly wind, and the flags are really kicking up in the back, of course. We have seen some power flashes around the area, which is actually quite dramatic, about 3 or 4 power flashes within a 5-second span. So the winds are really kicking up. We have a movie theater just across the way behind our cameraman, Alan, and power went out about 2 hours ago. So definitely some power outages scattered around here. We still have the power on, as you can see. IHOP is still on. Winds have kicked up to about 55 mile an hour gusts, so not hurricane force yet, but I looked at the radar and it looks like some bands are coming in, and Katrina is just about to get mean. Well, I'm telling you, conditions are really deteriorating rapidly, Mike. Let me tell you, about maybe 5 to 10 minutes ago, 5 to 6 power line flashes just off to our north. So the city of Hammond experiencing partial power outages. Notice the main road behind me, though. We have all the fast food restaurants, IHOP, McDonald's, all those areas. Lights are still on, however, just off to our west, the power has gone out. So again, winds maximum sustained about 40 miles an hour with a few higher gusts. No hurricane force winds as of yet. But I want to tell you something. We crossed over the Lake Pontchartrain causeway yesterday afternoon about 5:30, and already, as Mike has been talking about all morning, that this hurricane is going to drive the waters of Lake Pontchartrain into the city of New Orleans, into the Crescent City. I want to mention that the waves are already about 5 to 6 feet tall, and the winds are pretty strong as well on that causeway. Actually, quite a bit of a treacherous drive there. But I want to tell you another thing too. We are right along a north-south wall, about a 2-story wall by the mall here, so we are sheltered from the wind. All our vehicles are. I want to tell you that we're safe. We picked the best location to report on the devastating and possibly catastrophic Hurricane Katrina and stay out of harm's way at the same time. Now, just off to our north, this is facing off to the north, several power outages and several power line flashes. If you're accustomed to storm chasing, you see that greenish, bluish hue whenever a power line or a transformer pops, and we can hear it, several of them, in about a period of 5 seconds. So we knew the winds were beginning to pick up, and then all of a sudden came the swath of wind. Notice off to the north now, we're looking off to the northeast and east. That is a wall that is running from north to south. Our vehicles are parked facing south, so we are actually sheltered from that easterly and northeasterly wind.